Marhaba, this is Razan. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to count from 21 till 30 and how to use these numbers in a sentence as adjectives. Yalla, let's start. Reading note. When reading numbers 21 to 99, you must begin from the right. For instance, 21 is read as 1 and 20. Grammar note. When using numbers 21 to 99 as adjectives, the noun being described takes the singular form. The number is the same whether the noun is masculine or feminine. الأرقام العربية Arabic numbers. الأرقام العربية 21 وعشرين 21 literally means 1 and 20. For example, عندي 21 كتاب. I have 21 books. عندي 21 كتاب. 22 22 literally means 2 and 20. For example, عندي 22 قلم. I have 22 pens. عندي 22 قلم. 23 23 literally means 3 and 20. For example, عندي 23 مكتب. I have 23 offices. عندي 23 مكتب. 24 24 literally means 4 and 20. عندي 24 بيت. I have 24 houses. عندي 24 بيت. 25 25 literally means 5 and 20. عندي 25 تليفون. عندي 25 تليفون. I have 25 telephones. 26 26 literally means 6 and 20. عندي 26 سيارة. I have 26 cars. عندي 26 سيارة. 27 27 literally means 7 and 20. عندي 27 تفاحة. I have 27 apples. عندي 27 تفاحة. 28 28 literally means 8 and 20. عندي 28 تينة. I have 28 figs. عندي 28 تينة. 29 29 literally means 9 and 20. عندي 29 إنجاصة. I have 29 pears. عندي 29 إنجاصة. 30 30 30 عندي 30 شوكة. I have 30 forks. عندي 30 شوكة. Now let's have a recap. 21 21 21 22 22 22 23 23 23 24 24 24 25 25 25 26 26 26 27 27 27 28 28 28 29 29 29 30 30 30 Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Yalla bye.